Workbook, page number 15 onwards, children. So, open your workbook, take your pencil and eraser, children. Okay, children, open workbook, page number 15. Look here. Compare the numbers given below by inserting proper sign lesser than, greater than, equal to in the middle. Here they given two numbers, children, and they are asking compare the two numbers. Do you know how to compare the numbers, children? Yes, you have already learned in the previous classes. First check, is the two numbers have same number of digits or not? If the numbers have same number of digits, compare the digits from the extreme left end, left side. Okay, so look here. What is the extreme left digit here? 3. Here also 3. Both are equal. Next 6, 5, 8, 8. All the digits are same in the two numbers. So the two numbers are equal numbers. So write equal symbol in the middle. Like this you will compare all these numbers, children. Look, another one here. This is a 5-digit number and this is also 5-digit number. Both the numbers have same number of digits. So compare the extreme left digit first. What is that? 2. Both the numbers have 2 in the left digit. Next, compare the next digit. What is the digit here? 9. Here 8. So which one is greater? 9 or 8? 9 is the greater number. So 29,627 is greater than 28,726. So you have to keep your lesser than or greater than? Greater than symbol. So write greater than symbol in the middle. Next, this is also the same number of digits, children. So compare the extreme left digit first. 1, 1. Both the numbers have same digit. Next, compare the next digit. 2, 2. Same. Next, compare the third one, hundreds place. 1, 0. So this number have 1 in hundreds place and this number have 0 in hundreds place. So which one is greater? 1. So 12,104 is greater than 12,014. So keep here greater than symbol, children. Next one. 5-digit number, 5-digit number. Both the numbers have same number of digits. So compare the extreme left digit first. 9, 9. Both the numbers have same digit. Next, compare the next digit. 8, 8. These digits are also same. Next, compare hundreds place. 7, 7. Same. 6, 6. Same. 5, 5. Same. So these two numbers are equal. So write equal symbol in the middle. Like this, you should do the remaining, children. Do yourself. I will show you the answers and check your answers. Okay, children. See here. 41,258, 46,986. Which one is greater? 46,000 is the greater number. 90,631, 91,630. Which one is greater? 91,000 is the greater number. 56,471, 54,671. So 56,471 is the greater number. So greater than symbol. 84,029, 82,049. 84,000 is the greater number. Next 6,894, 4,689. So 6,894 is greater number. 35,730 is the greater number here. Here 49,587. 66,665 is greater. 78,124 is greater. 89,212 is greater. 15,083 is greater. 54,230 is greater. Here the two numbers are equal. 55,645 is greater. 17,001 is greater. 23,541 is greater. 23,124 is greater. 34,520 is greater. 76,066 is greater number. 28,563 is greater number. Okay, children? So next, circle the biggest number in each box. So they are asking, circle the biggest number each box here and circle the smallest number in each box here. So for this also we will use the concept of comparison of numbers. So compare the numbers and circle the biggest number and smallest number, children. Okay? Okay, look here, children. These all are having 5 digits in each number, children. So the number of digits are same in all numbers. So compare the extreme left digit. What is that? 777 equal. Now go to the next digit. 3, 5, 8. So here we have to circle the biggest number. So what is the biggest digit here? 8. So 78,593 is the biggest number. Next. This row also have the same number of digits. So compare the extreme left digit, that is 5 in all the numbers. Next, go to the thousands place and compare the digit. Here 4, 9, 1. Which one is bigger number? 9. So 59,041 is the biggest number. Next row. Left side digit, that is 3 is in all the numbers. Now compare the thousands place. 2, 6, 7. Which one is bigger? 7 is the bigger digit. So 37,625 is the biggest digit. Here all the 10,000s place have 1. Now go to the thousands place. Here 0, 9, 2. Which one is the bigger? 9. Like this. Here 19,256, 79,579, 14,789, 45,798. Okay, children? Next, come to the next one. Here we have to circle the smallest digit, smallest number. So here also same concept. Compare the extreme left digit. Here also all the numbers have same number of digits. So 3, 3, 3 in all the numbers. Next, compare the thousands place. 6, 8, 0. So here we have to circle the smallest number. That's why we choose 30,658. 0 is smaller than all the numbers here. So 30,658 is the smallest number. Next row. Here 4, 4, 4 in all the numbers. Next, compare thousands place. 1, 2, 1. Here 2. So this is a bigger number. This number and this number have 1 in thousands place. So compare the hundreds place in these two numbers. 2 and 9. Which one is smaller? 2. So 41,291 is smaller number here. Next, 19,732 is smaller number. 20,364, 22,445, 53,124, 10,013, 94,568 is the smallest numbers here. Okay, come to the next page. Write the given numbers in ascending order. Here they are given some numbers and asking to write in ascending order. Ascending means small to big. Ascending means small to big. So first start from the small and write up to big. Okay children. So look, here also we will use the comparison of numbers. So all are having same number of digits. So compare the highest place value digit here, that is 10,000 place. So 87788. We are starting from the smallest number. So 7. These are the smaller digits in 10,000 place. And compare the next digit in these two numbers, 6 and 8. Which one is smaller? 6. So write first this number, 76,851. Next, 78,156 comes next place. Now the remaining 3 numbers are there children. So compare that 3 numbers. Which one is smaller in that? So all are having 8 in that 10,000 place. Now compare the thousands place children. 5, 2, 5. Which one is smaller? 2 is the smaller number, smaller digit here. So it comes in the third place. Next, 85,000, same. Now compare the hundreds place digit, 1 and 2. Which one is smaller? 1. It comes in the fourth place, and last one, remaining one, it comes in the fifth place. So start from the smaller to bigger children. So what is the smaller number here? 76,851. Next, 78,156. Next, 82,351. Next, 85,132. Next, 85,231. Like this you will do all these. Okay, see the remaining children. 53,649, 54,368, 59,634, 63,559, 63,549. Next, 1,512, 10,512, 11,250, 11,520, 12,105, 15,021. This one, 40,278, 42,078, 42,082, 42,087, 47,082. Come to the next one. Write the following numbers in descending order. Descending order means biggest to smallest. Biggest to smallest. The reverse order of ascending order is the descending order. So here first you have to write the biggest number. So compare the digits children. 6 is in these 3 numbers and 8 in these 3 numbers. So compare the thousands place in these 2 numbers. 6 and 5. 6 is the bigger number. So 86,523 comes first. So this will come first and next one this. Now compare the thousands place, the remaining in 3 numbers 2, 3, 5. Here we want the bigger number, so it will comes in third place. Next 3 and 2, 3 is the bigger, it comes in fourth place. The remaining last place. So write in the order, children, which is the biggest number here? This one. 86,523. Next 85,236. Next 65,328. 63,528. 62,856. Like this, you should do the remaining. Okay, see the answers, children. 65,037, 56,073, 3765, 37,056, 35,706. 29,401, 29,104, 24,109, 24,019, 21,049. 99,985, 99,958, 99,859, 99,598, 99,995. Okay, come to the next page. The number of fruits that are sold in a wholesale fruit market every day are as shown below. Answer the questions that follow based on the given data. Okay, this is a fruit market, children. Here the fruits are sold in like wholesale. So the number of fruits, how many are sold in a day, are given here. Look, papaya are sold every day 22,249. Bananas 25,325. Watermelons 24,625. Apples 24,562. Oranges 23,526. And they are asking some questions, and you should answer the questions. Look, which fruit was sold more than any other fruit? They are asking which fruit was sold more than any other fruits. Which is the highest number here? Compare the numbers, children. All are having 2 in the 10,000s place. Now compare the thousands place. Here 2, 5, 4, 4, 3. Which one is the highest number? 25,325 is the highest number. So write that answer. 25,325. Next, which fruit was the least sold fruit in the market? Highest over. Next, asking the least number, smallest number. What is that? Very good. 22,249. Name the top 3 selling fruits. They are asking what are the top 3 selling fruits. What is the highest selling fruit? Bananas. Next, watermelon. Next, apples. So you have to write the 3 names here, children. Banana, watermelon, apple. Next, based on the given numbers, arrange the names of fruits in ascending order and arrange the numbers in descending order. Here, based on the given numbers, arrange the names of fruits in ascending order. So here you have to write the names. Here arrange the numbers in descending order. Here you have to write the numbers in descending order. Okay, children. So here first Ascending order means smaller to bigger. So which is the smallest one here? Least one? Papayas. Next, oranges. Next, apples. Next, watermelon. So the reverse order of this is the descending order. Okay, children? Okay, see the answers, children. Papaya, orange, apple, watermelon, banana. Next, 25,325, 24,625, 24,562, 23,526, 22,249. This is the descending order. Okay, children? Okay, bye.